How to fix slow performance issue after update on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hey everyone, let's get started. On today's video, we will discuss some of the solutions by which we can solve the issue of slow performance once we have updated our Windows. Firstly, start by opening the File Explorer option and then you have to search for this PC on the left side of the screen. Once you do so, you have to tap on the Windows 3 drive and then tap on Windows. Now scroll down and you'll find the option of software distribution. Click on it. Here are some of the files. These are the files that have been downloaded by the PC itself. So you just have to click on Ctrl A and then you can click on Shift and Delete. Now press Windows R to open the run, and after that you have to type in clean mgr, which is clean manager, and tap OK. Now it will delete some of the files. Here are some of the options that you can delete, which are the cache files. Make sure to tick on the checkbox to delete the files. Once that is done, tap on OK and it will delete all the files that are unnecessary, which will help us to solve the issue of slow performance. Now tap on OK and then on delete files. After that, come to the main page and then right click on Start button and go to Task Manager. Once that is done, you have to click on Startup Apps. Hereby, you have to check the section of status where you can see enabled and disabled. If you do not want any application during the startup, what you have to do is you simply have to tap on it and then right click and then click on the disable option. This will then disable its status as well. This was some of the solutions by which you can help to rectify the slow performance of your Windows. So that's all for today. For more such contents, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.